Maria is arrayed in green. This folklore, with many other shows that the Philippines is indeed a unique country with rich and varied culture. Pinili pa, pinino pa, mabuhay tayo lahat, mga Pilipino. Entry number 1, Maria Makiling. We just would like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Levy Orcales, ng ating Regional Director ng PIA Cordillera, Director Helen Tibaldo. Ito po ang entry number 1, Maria Makiling. Again, this folklore with many other shows that the Philippines is indeed a unique country with rich and varied culture. Pinili pa, pinino pa, mabuhay tayo lahat, mga Pilipino. Entry number 2, pamilyar sa ating lahat. Ito po ang alamat ng Ibong Adarna. Ang awitin ko ay lunas sa kaluluwang naagnas. Ang tinig ko ay iyong lakas, ngayon at sa hanggang wakas. Ibong Adarna promises healing, hope, and faithfulness. Ibong Adarna rewards perseverance, honesty, and a clean heart. Ibong Adarna reminds us that true relationships may be forever. Adorned and beautiful, almost mystical color combinations of chrysanthemum, carnation, baby's breath, and orchids, palm leaves, and ferns, and add strength and majestic ambience to Ibong Adarna's abode in the forest of mystical kingdom of Bergania. Eto na, our Ibong Adarna, purged with pride and joy for having found a true friend in Don Juan, who always had a humble and forgiving heart. Entry number 2, alamat ng Ibong Adarna. Approaching right now in front of our Board of Judges, entry number 3. Entry number 3, as simple as Vinta. The Vinta is a traditional outrider boat from the Philippine island of Mindanao. The boats are made by Sama Baguio, Tausug, Inyakan people living in the Sulu Archipelago, Zamboanga Peninsula, and southern Mindanao. Vinta are characterized by their colorful rectangular log sails or bukay and prows and sterns which resemble the gaping mouth of a crocodile. Vintas are used as fishing vessels, cargo ships, and houseboats. Smaller undecorated versions of the Vinta used for fishing are known as tundaan. Ladies and gentlemen, our beloved guests and the Board of Judges, entry number 3, Vinta. As we acknowledge the presence of our Regional Director, Ma'am Juliet Lucas of the Department of Trade and Industry, Cordillera, and likewise the Assistant Department Head, Ma'am Marivic Empiso of SEPMO. Thank you for joining us. Let's move on to another entry. Entry number 4. The Female Swan. In front of you right now is a female swan, a pen, dressed with a royal crown and emblem made of flowers to celebrate Mardi Gras and its traditional colors, which are purple, green, gold, and yellow. Mardi Gras in French means Fat Tuesday, from the custom of using all the fats in the home before Lent as a preparation for fasting and abstinence. In the United States, the principal carnival celebration is in New Orleans, Louisiana. This period is filled with elaborate parades both day and night, building up to Mardi Gras and the Rex Parade. Beads of yellow, gold, green, and purple are commonly distributed, and the eating of king cake is an iconic part of the celebration. Entry number 4, Female Swan. Entry number 5. Entry number 5, Ijanel Ward. Ijanel is the Tagalog goddess of good labor and good deeds. She is also known in some sources to be the goddess of harvest. However, that attribute is mostly known to be attributed to her husband, the god Dumangan. She is the mother of the god Dumakulim and the goddess Anitun Tabon. The rainbow on the center is a symbolism of the beauty after the storm. A pot of gold and good fortune at the rainbow's end, and representing inclusivity and diversity, and an all-embracing image of love and friendship. And the tree on the side is symbolism of protection, learning, sacrifice, hidden wisdom, magic, immortality, and healing. Ijanel Ward, entry number 5. Thank you for joining, who represents our Honorable Faustino Oloan, Office of the Vice Mayor, Mr. Rafi Rosuelio. Entry number 6. Ito na ang mermaid boat. Aman Sinaya and Amihan, the first creature. In folklore, it was said that Aman Sinaya and Bathala had an argument. Bathala used lightning bolts in Aman Sinaya, used her waves and typhoons. Bathala then threw boulders from the mountain toward Aman Sinaya. These boulders formed thousands of islands, which became the Philippine archipelago. Amihan then took the form of a bird to reach out to the two gods. Amihan flew back and forth to Bathala, then to Aman Sinaya several times. Because of this, they sky met the sea and formed the horizon. They eventually ended their battle because of Amihan and became close friends. Entry number 6. The mermaid boat. Entry number 7. Entry number 7. Ito na po ang alamat ng Piña Float. Aling Rosa and only daughter Pinang live in a coastal town of Iloilo. Mother and daughter were not rich but were happy and did not want much. Whatever they needed, they could get from the body of the sea and the land. Pinang was an only child. Her father, a fisherman, died when she was just a baby. Aling Rosa devoted all her time to caring for Pinang and watched her daughter grew from a baby to a young girl. Time passed. Pinang now preferred to play in the town plaza rather than spend time with her mother. The one night, Aling Rosa took ill. Pinang had to work around the house and cook lugaw for her mother, even if she didn't want to. The porridge would not be cooked, oftentimes burnt. Many times, Pinang could not find the ladle she was cooking with, and she asked where it can be. Aling Rosa said, exhausted with Pinang, "Look with your eyes, not with your mouth. How I wish you have many pairs of eyes to help you see what you are looking for." Again, entry number 7 illustrates the alamat ng piña using the grand colors of the sunflower as eyes of the piña as main attraction. Entry number 8, Kaya. Earth, wind, water, and fire. The 4 elements that comprise the entirety of Mother Earth. The earth is our mother, nourishing and protecting us in every moment, giving us air to breathe, fresh water to drink, food to eat, and healing herbs to cure us when we are sick. Every breath we inhale contains our planet's nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, and trace elements. When we breathe with mindfulness, we can experience our interbeing with the Earth's delicate atmosphere with all the plants and even the sun whose light makes possible the miracle of photosynthesis. With every breath, we can experience communion. With every breath, we can savor the wonders of life. Entry number 8, Kaya. My pride to present to you, ladies and gentlemen, entry number 9, Bugan. Bugan stands for beauty, upholds great appreciation to nature. Nothing compares to nature's beauty, which has been proven with numerous gifts highlighted with blossoming and brilliantly colored flowers that will deeply ignite the purpose itself. From the realization, we created the thematic scenario emphasizing the main character, Bugan, who is the goddess of beauty and reproduction. It is beauty upholds great appreciation to nature. Paratuga. She fell in love with a stranger named Panganuron. A war ensued between Paratuga and Panganuron. Unfortunately, Daragang Magayon was killed with a stray arrow. The inhabitants of the land were surprised that the grave of Daragang Magayon turned into hill. Also at the top of that hill were clouds that burst out rain. And at night, the people experienced thundering noises of rolling storms and earthquakes. The hill kept growing and growing. Today, it is known the Mayon volcano, deriving its name from Magayon, and the name of the town Daraga is derived from Daragang. Entry number 10, Mayon. Entry number 11. 2 more to go. The Ponton Masquerade. All across the globe, Mardi Gras is marked with celebrations of life, food, and people. Mardi Gras is famous for parades and parties, and people all over the world join these colorful festivities, wearing fancy and vibrant body ornaments, including masks. And so we bring to you the masquerade. In front sa atin po mga hurado, entry number 11, the Ponton Masquerade. Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, to complete the number of competing entries, last but definitely not the least, entry number 12, kung meron tayong female swan, meron din tayong male swan. Mardi Gras refers to the events of the carnival celebrating beginning on or after the Christian feast of Epiphany, and it's culminated on the day before Ash Wednesday, which is known as Fruit Tuesday. It's celebrated around the world by having parades and parties. That's a male swan. Honorable board of judges, friends, visitors, I guess natin in front of you is a male swan cup. It's adorned with a colorful mask made from flowers and carries a hat with colors of the Mardi Gras. Usually people wear colorfully decorated masks and hats to express the festivities and the spirit of celebration. Blake. It has also brought with it a Mardi Gras hat to symbolize the colorful festivities associated with the celebrations. Ladies and gentlemen, Queen of the Lake. Here we go. Entry of non-competing float as we move on. The Queen of the Lake. In front of you is a swan boat of Burnham, Queen of the Lake. 4 decades long, our very own iconic swan graces our serene lake with its simple yet majestic appeal as it perfectly floats and blends to the landscape of our beloved park. Dressed here as Her Majesty the Queen of the Lake is wearing its crown made of flowers and its royal ring emblem made of assorted flowers. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Queen of the Lake. For your information, this is the actual swan boat used in the rescue efforts in Barangay Aguray and Barangay Abulo in Cagayan due to the flooding caused by Typhoon Ulysses. Malaki po ang naitulong yan sa pagre-rescue.